Welcome back to Shift Zone 2025, your go-to channel for the latest car reviews, updates, and everything automotive. In today's video, we're talking about the much-awaited 2026 Tata Safari. This iconic SUV from Tata Motors is set to take the Indian market by storm. So, let's dive right into what makes this upcoming model so special. The 2026 Tata Safari promises to deliver a fresh, bold, and more refined version of the SUV that has already captured the hearts of many. Tata has been known for producing robust and stylish cars, and the 2026 Safari is expected to raise the bar even higher. With its new design language, the Safari will feature sharper lines, a more aggressive front grille, and sleek LED headlights that will make a strong statement on the road. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Tata Safari will not disappoint. Under the hood, we can expect a more powerful engine, likely a 2.0-liter turbocharged diesel engine. This will provide enhanced performance, better fuel efficiency, and a more enjoyable driving experience. Whether you're navigating city streets or going off-road, the new Safari is expected to offer a smooth and powerful ride, which is one of its key selling points. Inside, the 2026 Tata Safari will come with a more premium and tech-laden cabin. Expect a larger touchscreen infotainment system with a more intuitive interface, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and improved connectivity features. The SUV will also likely get more luxurious materials, with comfortable seating and ample legroom to ensure that long drives remain as comfortable as ever. The 2026 Tata Safari will continue to offer the commanding driving position and